Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video with me. So today I have the new iPhone 14 Pro. I've been actually trying to hunt this product down for quite some weeks now. Luckily, a couple suburbs away, a JB Hi-Fi had stock for the gold model. So finally got my hands on this one. So I'm super excited to unbox it. Let's get started. So for today's unboxing, I have the iPhone 14 Pro in gold. I've got the 128GB storage one. I've actually been waiting for this one for so long. Like, it's just been out of stock. I think the date that they said that they were going to have stock was around December. But luckily one night I was just browsing through Google and then I found that there was stock in a JB Hi-Fi store about a couple suburbs away. So finally found the time, got my hands on it. So here it is. So this is the packaging. There's actually no plastic for this one, which I actually love. And then you can see what kind of model phone you have just over here as well. And they tell you in store just to please double check before taking it out, because for JB Hi-Fi apparently it's not refundable if it's return or change of mind. So I guess let's open it. So they do have a tab here and a tab here. So I'm just gonna pull it open. Amazing. And then it opens up like this. There you go, nothing on this side. And the new iPhone in gold. Looks so pretty. So the reason why I got this one is because I absolutely love using camera function on my old phone, and I had the iPhone X. So I knew when this one came out, with all the specs, that I needed to get a phone like this. So I also didn't get the Max because I can't put it anywhere, can't hold it anywhere. So this is the one I got. So this is what the 14 looks like. It's pretty much the same size, I think, as my other phone. So let me just grab it. Yeah, it's about the same. So I've got the X with me. Yeah, so same. All right, so what comes in the box is the usual sticker and pin thing, so you can put your SIM card, and a couple of manuals. To be honest, I never read them, so it is what it is. And also the cable as well. So I actually might have to duck down to the store to buy a cable, because I just realized that it is a USB-C. So I actually can't charge my phone, unfortunately. Oh god, so I can't use it. Yay. That's pretty much it in the phone case. I mean, it's actually not bad that they don't give you that charger, because for the old iPhone X, I actually do have a lot of the mini adapters across a lot of different phones I have in the cables. So it's actually more environmentally friendly. So I do like that. It's just I don't have the USB-C version, unfortunately. So I'll just have to figure it out. Or I can still keep charging. I don't know. Might just have to read it at the back and see. Alright, so plastic boxing. Oh, looks so good. Here it is. I am actually not going to switch it on until I have a screen cover on it, which I actually do. I'm probably not going to take it out until I have a case, but it looks so pretty. Oh my god. So excited to use it. Let me know if you do have any questions. And yeah, I'm super excited to use my phone. Alright, talk to you guys soon. See ya. Bye.